In this tutorial I will show you how to create to lighten, brighten skin tone in Photoshop. Go to Select, choose the color range. Follow this setting. When you finish, press OK. Create new fill adjustment layer and choose solid color. Select white color and press OK. Change blend mode in soft light. Select the top layer and right-click, choose the blending option. Follow the setting. When you finish, press OK. Select the solid color layer, double-click and change the color. When you finish, press OK. Reduce the opacity and 80%. That's it, hope you liked it. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.